So Bailey actually got us a Christmas gift that just came in. It got out of here a little bit late, but he got us something super cool. It's actually in this bag. Let me go ahead and take it out for you guys real quick. So this is, so he got us a Nobody flag. Look how sick this is, guys. So now I need to figure out where to put this. So looking around the garage, we could either put it around here or hang it down there, or we could hang it right here. I'm thinking we're probably gonna hang it right here. So I'm trying to figure out how to put this up there. I'm looking for my gun to zap the bolts in there. So Christine locked the car up last night. And if you can see, the key is right there on the ground. And we only have one key for this car.
Oh, there's the gun.
Good job.
Is that the one you're looking for?
It doesn't matter, it's in the locked car. Where'd the hood prop go? Oh. We could have used the hood prop, but she stuffed it in the trunk. Guys, look at this. She opened the door. You know what she used? She used another S13 key that doesn't belong to this car, and it opened the door. This key belongs to the S13 we have on the other side of the gate over there, and it opened the door lock.
I'm surprised that it did that.
So this is the original key, and the black one is the other key, but it opened the door, and I don't know how the heck that happened. But that's very interesting. That's very interesting. Well, looks like we should go make an extra key for this car.
We're in the car right now and I'm trying to consolidate all the wires. So I have these 3 plugs that go to the ECU pretty good, and I just put electrical tape around it and loomed it all up. So that's good. The only thing left was this plug that goes on top of the ECU, is the last plug, and the wires are cut really short, and I think it's just because they were gonna wire things up differently in their car than we're gonna do inside my car. So I just got a new plug because the wires are a lot longer. I won't have to worry about anything getting pulled out because these were so short that they were starting to get pulled out when we were trying to connect them. So I'm just going to transfer all the wires that were connected to here onto here, and then we can try to see if the car starts. Hopefully it does, because this would be super cool if this is the reason the car doesn't start.
So you're plugging it in right now?
Yeah, I'm plugging everything in right now. I did the fuel pump relay and also the main relay, and I'm pretty sure everything is connected. I put the F3 plug in, so I'm pretty sure this should be the last thing. Is the battery plugged in? Can you see?
So Christine's about to start the car right now. We're able to figure out the wiring and get the fuel pump to come on when you turn the key on. So let's go ahead and try to start this.
Oh my gosh!
Got to get the battery charger or jumper. Got it. Come on. No, it's gonna run. It runs now.
I know, it's so good. Exactly like how it used to be. So now that we know that the car starts, I can start working on the wiring for the headlights and start putting the dash back together, the headlights back on, and start making it a complete car again. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, for coming back and tuning in, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.
Yeah.